Welcome to episode 2 of What Matters Most.
Are you ready to bake with us? My name is Eben. My name is Eric. And we're going to bake with Mommy, Miss Steph, and Mr. Matt.
Hi, Miss Trisha Van Eldik. Say hi. Thank you so much for your time with us today for our episode 2. But before that, I would like our viewers to know more about you, okay? So would you please tell us, how did you start this baking stuff?
So we start this baking stuff actually nung pandemic talaga. Alam natin na ang daming trabaho nawala and isa kami doon na involved na yung mama ko nawala ng work. And so doon nag-start. Nagusto namin na parang naisip namin ni mama na bakit kaya hindi tayo mag-create ng small business tapos i-share natin yung pag-bake natin sa iba. So nag-start lang yun, nagbibigay kami sa mga frontliners, then nagbe-bake lang kami para sa mga kamag-anak namin. Then, one day, meron kaming binake yung ube cheese pandesal. Tapos, sabi namin, parang ang sarap. Sobrang sarap nung ginagawa namin. And sabi namin, bakit kaya hindi natin i-share naman sa iba? Bakit hindi natin to ibenta? Baka magkaroon tayo ng income, especially na hirap nga tayo this pandemic. At doon nag-start lahat yon dahil sa ube cheese pandesal. Naisip namin na mag-business tayo. And hanggang ngayon, sobrang thankful kami kasi ang dami nagsusupport dun sa small business namin.
So, bago pa tayo magtalakayan, turuan mo na ang mga Darko Boys, Ellie, Eben, and Izek, kung paano mag-bake ng cookies, okay? Can you tell our viewers what are the things that we need to prepare, the ingredients, please?
Okay, so first thing is mag-bake po tayo ng cookies with oats. Ang kailangan po natin is 1/2 or 1 cup, depende po sa inyo, it is optional kung gaano nyo ko gusto maglagay ng oats. So I'll be putting 1/2 oats and then 1 cup and 1/4 ng all-purpose flour. And then chocolate chips, you need chocolate chips. And then 1 egg, 1/2 oil, it could be any oil. And then vanilla, just a teaspoon of vanilla. And a pinch of salt and 1/4 cup of brown sugar and 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 cup of white sugar. So these are the things that we need and ingredients para ma-bake natin yung yummy cookies with oats natin. So, Darko Boys, are you ready?
Yes! We are ready! So ngayon, tuturuan mo ngayon ang Darko Boys kung paano mag-mix ng mga ingredients, okay? And they are ready.
So let's get our ingredients. Ayan na. So, una lalagay natin is 1/2 cup of sugar, white sugar. So let's put it first. 1/2 cup of white. Let's go, Darko Boys.
Oh, that's Ellie. Okay, very good, Ellie.
Very good. Okay, next we'll be putting some brown sugar, 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Next we'll be putting some 1/2 cup of oil.
Oil.
Where's the oil? Izek, oil.
Oil.
Okay, very good.
That
We're future bakers. And then 1 egg. We will be placing 1 egg.
This is our egg. Ellie, to go.
Go.
Very good.
Yes.
Are you ready to mix? Are you ready to mix? Okay, so we'll be mixing the batter. Okay, so mix, just like this. Mix. Circle, round and round.
Yeah, you can use your 2 hands.
Very good. Dapat po yung consistency ng ating batter is para siyang medyo thick. So, mix lang tayo ng mix. Okay, if you're done mixing, tell me
Isaac, you also try.
Okay.
You mix.
Yes. This is good for fine motor skills.
Go, Isaac, go.
Okay, in a separate bowl, maglalagay tayo ng 1 cup and 1/4 of all-purpose flour. So, okay, we'll be putting. Let's go, boys!
Have it here.
Next is we will be placing a baking soda. So, we will get a baking soda. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, very good. Now, next is 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
Magandang activities ito sa mga pamilya, lalo na sa mga may mga anak na hindi sila maboboard during this quarantine time. Kaya parents, this is a wonderful activity for your kids.
That's correct. So the last one in the flour. So we will put a pinch of salt. We will be placing the bowl with flour into our batter. So we will just put it there. Put it.
This one here, right?
Yes, you will put it there, and then we will mix.
All together.
Careful that you don't spill.
Okay, so while mixing, we will put our healthy ingredient, which is our oats. Okay, are you ready, kids? We'll put the oats. Okay, come on, let's put oats.
Natin ang Darko Boys at Mr. Max na mag-handle sa mga kids. At gusto ko itang kapanayam. Alam ko ang mga viewers natin mai-inspire ngayong episode na to na hindi lang tayo magpapakita kung paano mag-bake at paano ito i-share sa mga families para naman hindi ma-board ang mga bata sa bahay, di ba?
Opo.
And they will also learn how to do this kind of business. Magbigay ka naman ng advice sa mga pamilya or viewers natin dyan na nanonood. Paano sila mag-start ng business? Kailangan ba malaking capital agad? Malaking o maliit? Paano ba ito?
Una po, bago tayo mag-start ng business, ipag-pray muna natin yung business na gusto natin. Kasi 'di ba, lahat ng bagay na meron tayo, kailangan pagplanuhan mo 'yan eh. Dapat meron kang certain goal. And one thing na dapat mo unang talagang gawin, pag-pray mo, is this right? Yung gagawin ko kaya talagang yung business na to magiging successful kaya? You should have faith and belief na magiging successful yung business mo. And second is you should have a goal. Dapat may goal ka. Ano bang gusto mong gawin sa business mo? And third is, dapat may dedication and passion ka sa ginagawa mo. Kasi if you love the business or if you want to create a business talaga, dapat passion mo to, gusto mo to. Kasi once na gusto mo, kahit mahirap, actually, yung kapital ng pagbe-baking, sobrang mahal. Yung gagamitin mo pa lang, yung materials pa lang, tapos yung mga blender, mga ganun.
Medyo mahal ang mga machines eh.
Nakakatuwa lang kasi itong ginawa naming small business na to, hindi lang sa region na to umabot, pati sa other areas outside Manila and also inside Manila. So nakakatuwa lang kasi madami nagsusupport and madaming talagang tumatangkilik dun sa products namin.
Trish, actually, may nakapanayam ako na isang medical worker. Actually, she has
Yes po.
a question for you. And this is coming from Mrs.
Okay.
Shelly Calagian, a nurse from Quezon City. How do you manage stress and mental health challenges brought about by the COVID-19 pandemic?
I manage stress by, first is I surround myself with positive people. I think that the most important thing that we should know is we should be surrounded with the things and people that makes you happy. And second, if you are feeling tired, you can sleep, you can rest. And that's the most important thing, that you should have time to take rest.
So now the Darko boys are ready to eat their cookies.
Good boy.
Yay.
It's yummy. Yummy. My tummy. Yummy. We have to treat for the banana bread and the
Baked macaroni.
macaroni.
So, Miss Trisha, we're coming to an end. We would like to thank you for your time with us here at What Matters Most.
Yes, thank you so much also.
Our viewers, ano ba yung aabangan ng mga netizens sa'yo?
Ang aabangan sa akin ng mga netizens is I will be screening in a national pageant here in Philippines. So it's a secret first, but I'll keep you posted.
Yes, definitely. We will pray for you and that the
Thank
Lord
you
will
so
continue to bless you wherever you go, wherever you are, you will shine. Right? Don't forget, what matters most is your faith in the Lord. Okay?
Yes.
Bye-bye!
Thank you so much.
See you next episode of What Matters Most. Bye-bye.